King Harbor Yacht Club. The King Harbor Holiday Boat Parade takes place in Redondo Beach and features a theme every year, such as 2019 Surfing the Yule Tide. Held by the King Harbor Yacht Club, this showcase of creative light displays can be seen anywhere from the King Harbor Marina itself to the Redondo Beach Pier. Try snagging a window seat at one of the restaurants for a cozy show. Paid parking can be found in the Pier Parking structure, at the Redondo Beach Marina, and on the street. In 2020, the event has been cancelled.